Hello everyone, this is TechBismo, and welcome to another video. I apologize that this stream is 5 minutes late, and the problem was that I did not have the correct streaming service, and apparently I did not know that, so I will just pull that up really quick here. If I just pull up my stream, as you can see, hold on, let me go ahead and switch the thing. Okay, there we go. So, really quick, I'm going to show you what was the problem. So, the problem was the service right here, as you can see right there. It was the service. So, but now everything is how it's supposed to be. So, let's go ahead and get started. So, really quick, I'm just going to make sure that I have all my sources correctly into Firefox, because I want everything to be loaded correctly. And hello there, Switch to Linux, how are you today? Switch to Linux has never joined in any of my live streams, and I'm actually pretty excited because this is his first time. You may know me if you are joining from Switch to Linux's live stream. You may know me from his live streams because I joined them, I don't know, probably every other live stream, like mostly the tinfoil hat time ones, but I was also in the one from yesterday. So let's get started with the stream. Okay, so yes, I do have all my sources correctly cited. I will also leave the links to my Windows 10s one in the comments, so I'll just go ahead and paste that into the comments really quickly here, just like that. Okay, so yes, this live stream is going to be about the Windows 10s, the Windows 10 version that was just recently released by Microsoft. And the other thing I'm going to be talking about is, the Comcast Xfinity outage. So I'm sure you guys have heard of both of these, the Windows 10s and Comcast outage. So basically, I'll just be reading this form right here about the Comcast Xfinity service outage, and then I'll save, the best for last, the one we've always been hearing about, Windows 10s, the worst version of Windows. And of course, it's going to say performance that lasts, but we all know that that's not true. We all know that's a lie, because Microsoft is nothing but lies. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and also I'll put this link in the comments as well, so I will just go ahead and paste that there. So there's the link for my first Comcast Xfinity outage website. So yeah, okay. So right here, here's what it says. So Comcast Xfinity internet service and others seem to be a bit broken nationwide this morning. And this form is from a couple days ago, I believe 2 or 3 days ago. Posted November 6th. So yeah, about 3 days ago. So yeah. Having issues with Comcast this morning? You're very much not alone. Right around 10 a.m. Pacific, we started seeing reports from both coasts that the internet had suddenly slowed to a halt. So yes, as you can already tell, that the internet has gone down on November 6th, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you have actually experienced this. a lot of people have, so I don't have any doubt that one of you were affected by this. So yeah, let's see. Certain sites would load just fine, but the vast majority simply timed out. A bit more digging suggested that many people reporting issues were on Comcast's Xfinity service. To us, freedom is life. To Microsoft, money is life. I agree there. Yeah, and hello there, Pseudo Reboot. I can see you're just joining. Also, Pseudo Reboot, I believe I just recently subscribed to your channel. I think I did yesterday or the day before. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe to Pseudo Reboot. So yeah. Okay, so let me see. So I guess I will read the rest of this right here. Actually, really quick, I will read this little post from Comcast. So yeah, Comcast cares. Some customers are having issues with their Xfinity internet service. We apologize and appreciate your patience while we work to fix. So yeah, there's a little post from Comcast, and I'm just going to go ahead and look at this next web page. Yeah, I haven't viewed this one yet. I haven't read this one. I actually was just pulling this source up just a few minutes ago before we started the stream, and all the other sources, this morning. So yeah. Alright, Comcast nationwide outage was caused by a configuration error. So yeah, as you can see, of course, a configuration error by Comcast. Well, I don't know if it was, sincerely made by Comcast. I know they didn't intend for it to happen. They didn't mean for it to happen. But yeah, alright. Yesterday, folks across the country reported that Comcast internet was down, an unusually large outage that lasted around 90 minutes. It turns out that the program was caused by Level 3, an enterprise ISP that provides the backbone for other internet providers like Verizon, Comcast, and RCN. Our network experienced a service disruption affecting some of our customers. The firm said in a statement, this disruption was caused by a configuration error. I don't know why I added a pause when I said configuration, but just ignore that. Alright, the outage shows yet again just how vulnerable the internet is in the US. Last year around this time, a DDoS attack shut down Spotify, Twitter, the New York Times, and other sites, prompting some soul searching from ISPs and internet security experts. This time it was a cause of a simple human error, but the results were similar. The internet, which many individuals and businesses now depend on for their livelihoods, went down. So it seems like it was, yeah, it says right here it was this time caused by a simple human. So I don't know if it was, on purpose or on accident. I'm sure it was on accident since it says an error. But yeah, switch links, greetings, Pseudo Reboot. Okay. Let's see. The problem, according to an expert contact by Wired, was a route leak. ISPs use something called the Border Gateway Protocol to find networks they can route data packets through. To figure out which routers are the most efficient, so-called autonomous systems, ASES, track data packets that are moving through various networks. Hi, Pseudo Linux. Hope you are well. Yeah, how are you, Pseudo Linux, today? Actually, say that in the comments. How are you? And how are you today, Switch to Linux? And how are you today, Pseudo Reboot? I would like to know if, you had a good day or a bad day. And, I hope that it was a good day. Okay. A route leak is caused when these ASES relay bad information about their IP addresses. That can cause internet providers to make bad or inefficient routing decisions, causing packets to be delayed or stopped altogether. Pseudo Reboot, hi Pseudo Linux, hope you're well. Okay, I already read that, I apologize. A good example of this is an error level 3 made back in 2015. In that cause, a telecom in Malaysia accidentally told level 3 that it could relay internet data from anywhere around the world. So yes, guys, I actually am going to state this right now. This is your only chance. Leave the live stream now, so you can experience my my bad pronunciation of these words like this. I don't even know how to pronounce that. But yes, somebody in the comments tell me if you're able to say that right. Even if I did say it right, still correct me. Okay. Level 3 accepted the routers, even though it shouldn't have, causing worldwide data to be shunted through the Malaysian telecom, which had no way of handling all the traffic. So yeah, there's me trying to pronounce that. I actually think it was right, but I don't know. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly finish up this form, and then we can move over to the more excited form, you know, Windows 10s, so I can yell at Microsoft. Alright, something similar could have happened yesterday if level 3 was, say, tweaking its router settings and made a mistake. ISPs use filters to guard against such errors, but the scale of the internet makes it difficult to catch them all. After last year's large DDoS attack, security experts pointed out that internet infrastructure providers like DIN and Level 3 are particularly vulnerable to attacks. Yesterday's outrage shows how vulnerable they are to human error too. Okay, let me see. Yesterday what? Okay, so yes, let's go ahead and move over to our more interesting topic. So I'm actually going to go ahead and post this the link of this into the comments. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so yeah, there's the link to the other webpage if you want to go ahead and check it out. Okay, so now Windows 10s. Introducing Windows 10s, streamlined for security and superior performance. Okay. Microsoft verified security. Hold on one moment. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I apologize for that. I had to cough, and I did not want to cough in the video because then, you know, it would make your ears bleed. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and read this. Microsoft verified security. Your applications are delivered via the Windows Store, ensuring Microsoft verified security and integrity. Microsoft Edge is your default browser since it's more secure than Chrome or Firefox. Alright, sudo reboot, sudo Linux, and switch to Linux. Do you all agree that Microsoft Edge is more safe for than Chrome and Firefox? I agree that it's safer than Chrome, but not Firefox. Streamlined for spying and preventing hosting file adjustments. I agree there. Okay, let's see. Windows Defender antivirus and all ongoing security features of Windows 10 are included. Performance that lasts. Why would you need the performance if you can't download anything from the web? Alright. Designed for superior performance that lasts, startups are quick and built to stay that way. With Microsoft Edge, your online experience runs fast and safe. Stream HD videos, switch across apps, and stay productive on the go. Okay, that now I remember. And I can also pause this. Yep, good. So that, you know, I don't waste bandwidth. Alright. Familiar Windows 10 features on a range of modern devices. Enjoy multitasking with Snap Task View and virtual desktops. Get the suite of built-in apps and newest innovations like Cortana. Yeah, I want the government on my computer. Windows Ink and Windows Hello for password-free sign-on. Choose from a range of exciting modern devices coming soon. Okay. Cloud convenience plus the power of apps. Windows 10s integrates with OneDrive, so files are saved to the cloud in sync and accessible from your devices. Use compatible apps use compatible apps available from the Windows Store. Why not from, the web browser? Why can't I download something, I don't know, like, let's see, Sony Vegas, that's on Windows, or even Kden Live, that's a, my favorite open source editing software. So, yeah. Hold on one moment, and I will be right back. Okay, I should have put a recording quiet sign on the door, so yeah, let's see, did I read this? Integrates with OneDrive, so files are saved to the cloud, in sync. Okay, use compatible apps available from the Windows Store. If you need to use personal tools or would rather run non-store apps, you can easily and affordably switch to Windows 10 Pro. Affordably, yeah, I have to pay $50 to go to Windows 10 Pro from Windows 10s. Thanks a lot, Microsoft. I'd rather just switch to Linux for free, just like Switch to Linux did. Yeah, his name even says it. Thanks, Switch to Linux, for switching to Linux. All right, there's a Windows 10 for everyone. Windows 10 Home, Windows 10s, and Windows 10 Pro. So, yeah, down here you can, of course, see Windows 10s is streamlined for security and performance and works exclusively with apps from the Windows Store. Yeah, from the Windows Store. You can't download anything from your web browser. Alright, we'll probably do Cody setup review of my Raspberry Pi. Windows 10s is an excuse to get users to use Bing /Microsoft Edge / Microsoft Store. I agree to that. I agree. Alright, introducing Surface Laptop. Surface Laptop is designed for Windows 10s. Yeah, not getting that. Not getting that laptop. Okay. Let me see. Introducing Windows 10s. Okay, so I actually wanted to go back to this one. Let's see if I can actually find it. I wanted to find the one where it says, oh, yeah, it's right here. I don't know what I was looking at. Okay, so performance that lasts. Honestly, in what way would you guys be wanting to use that performance? If something like what was it? How would you want to use that performance if you can't even download anything from the web browser, but you can from their stupid Microsoft Store? I'd prefer like something like a Linux Software Center, other than the Microsoft Software Center. First of all, Microsoft is very limited on their applications that they have, and second of all, it's not good. It's slow. It's stupid. They track you down. They're the government. Yeah. So let me see. What was I going to look at? A while ago, I was actually thinking of looking at the Google Pixelbook, so maybe that'll be something for next week if I decide to squeeze in a live stream for next week. I might do something about, why to buy the Pixelbook, because, of course, it's very, very, very useless. So, yeah, I was going to, oh yeah, frequently asked questions. That was what I was going to look at. So, what is Windows 10s? Windows 10s is a specific configuration of Windows 10 Pro that offers familiar, productive Windows experience that is streamlined for security and performance by exclusively using apps in the Microsoft Store and ensuring that you browse safely with Microsoft Edge. Windows 10s keeps you running fast and secure day in and day out. Alright. Let me see. Where was I? Okay. Friend called, so I need to chat with him. Still sort of here. Okay, so that's fine. That's fine, switch to Linux. Alright, I actually kind of thought that somebody would call you, like a client or something would call you. I was actually thinking about that before the stream started, so yeah, it's fine. Alright, which do you recommend for customers who use assistive technology?
Alright. Alright.
Okay, so yeah, my father just came home, and yeah, so it's going to be a little bit noisy, and I apologize for that for everybody that's watching, but we are just going to go on for like about 2 or 3 more minutes because this live stream was actually supposed to be pretty short since I'm running low on time today. So yeah, I read this, and let's see. Windows provides a number of built-in accessibility features to help you do more, and there are great apps available today through the Microsoft Store, such as the KNFB Reader and the Read and Write for Microsoft extension. Yeah, sorry that I'm still not on this page, but here we are now. See, I just read this right here. How do I switch to Windows 10 Pro on my Windows 10 S PC? Note, switching to Pro is one way. If you make the switch, you won't be able to go back to Windows 10 S. And you think I want to go to Windows 10 S back? I really don't think anybody wants that. Let's see. Which apps and hardware will work with Windows 10 S? Okay, so this is actually what I really wanted to read. So I'm just going to zoom in really quick here. Okay. Windows 10 S works with exclusively with compatible apps from the Microsoft Store. The vast majority of apps available in the Microsoft Store will work on Windows 10 S. The same way they will work on Windows 10 Pro and Windows 10 Home. Note that some developer tools will not be supported for use on Windows 10 S, and a small number of apps with known compatibility issues have notice of the issue included in the app's product detail page in the Microsoft Store. As you can see, and I've said this, no, it's not helpful. No. Okay, thanks for your feedback. Okay. So yeah, this is pretty much just saying again and again, you cannot download anything from the web, from your web browsers. You can't even download another web browser. No, you can't find it in the Microsoft Store. So yeah, good luck finding that, and good luck, finding compatible apps in Windows 10 S. So yeah, I guess that's done. I'm done reading those little frequently asked questions. I'll actually look at this one really quick. How will I know if an app or device becomes compatible? Compatible apps and devices will continue to grow over time. For the most up-to-date information, you can always check back at this website in the Microsoft Store or with the hardware or software manufacturer. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much saying that, ooh, we're going to update it. Don't worry, you can do whatever you want. But guess what? You can't. Never. Never. It's just not going to happen. So, yeah, I guess this was a, successful little short, I believe 20-minute live stream, and that's what I was actually aiming for, at least 20 minutes, because I wanted and needed to get a video done for today, and I did want to do a live stream, also recommended by Switch to Linux. He recommended that I do a live stream today. But yeah, I guess it's time to wrap this live stream up with about the Windows 10 S and Comcast, Xfinity, all of that. And also, if you want to have a look at the frequently asked questions, I'll also put that in the chat, just like that. Okay, so yeah, now it's in the comments, and you can go ahead and look at that if you want to. So yeah, let me see. There was something I was going to quickly look at before this stream ends. I don't see it. Oopsie. Okay. I'm opening up my pictures for some reason. Okay. We're back. Let's see. Pictures. Live streaming, intro, Linux distros. I guess I can really quick tell you guys what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. Well, I think tomorrow. I'm assuming tomorrow. Let's go ahead and go over here. Okay. Comics and more tutorials. Sorry, arrived late. That's fine. No hard feelings. You're good. Yeah, you're fine. Don't worry about that. We are wrapping this live stream up pretty soon in about 2 or 3 some minutes. So yeah, you did come in pretty late, but no hard feelings. So what I was going to show you guys, let's see. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you guys what I'm going to plan to do on Friday. Well, tomorrow, of course, because tomorrow's Friday. Well, I am supposed to tomorrow be doing an Antergos GNOME review. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to do that tomorrow, but don't know about that. Yes, I am using OBS Studio. I love it. It is a little buggy sometimes, but I'll show you that I am using it. So I'll just pull it over here. As you can see there, here's my OBS screen, as you can see there. It's actually a very nice setup. I like the setup of OBS. I like how they program it and how they, you know, update it. They actually, whatever the company's called that runs OBS, I think it's just OBS, the company. Well, whatever company runs OBS Studio, they actually do a great job, you know, manufacturing and updating this, well, not really manufacturing, but updating and programming this software, and I love it. It can be buggy from times, but I'll show you something. So when I click on standby, sometimes it'll, you know, hide this chat right here. Well, it won't hide it. What it will do is it will not show any of the comments since it is a little buggy. But then when I go back to here, it'll show all the comments again. But that's just, you know, it's something little. It's not too much. So yeah, there's just a little showing of, you know, my setup of OBS Studio. So we are going to at 27 minutes. We have 6 viewers, and I thank you for everyone that is actually participating in the stream today. Yeah, I very much thank you for everyone that has watched this live stream, and yeah, so let me see. There was something I was going to show you, but I cannot find it in my files. Linux distros, yeah, other than the Linux distro that I will be hopefully reviewing tomorrow, other than that, I don't know if I can find it, but let me see. Nope. Oh, I guess I deleted it. Yep. Let me actually look in my trash. Okay, let me see. Nope. Of course it's not going to be there. Alrighty, well, that's fine, I guess. Let me see. Let me actually show you a picture. Let me see. Oh, of course, my picture's not going to be there. I wanted to show you guys a little picture of my hamster. So, yeah. Hold on one moment. Okay. I'm getting a notification from sudo Linux. So I'm not sure what he just said, what that means, what he just said. Okay. He just said haha, so I'm guessing that was just a trick to, you know, get me onto my phone really quick. But yeah, I guess that's it, guys. I can't find what I was going to show you. It was going to be what was it? So first of all, I was going to show you a quick picture of my hamster, because, you know, I love hamsters. I love lots of rodents. I like rats and stuff. Why am I just, you know, talking about this stuff now? I don't care, but anyway, comics and more tutorials, Antergos. Yes, Antergos GNOME, I should try to review tomorrow. Probably upload it at like 9 or something. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But yeah, I guess it's time to wrap this up, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this stream. Hopefully by the next live stream I can show you what I was going to show you in this one. I'll leave it as a surprise, and yeah, you can see there. Here's my my ISOs that I have in my Linux ISOs folder. But yeah, guys, that is it. So I hope you all enjoyed this lovely little live stream. I say lovely; it was actually pretty bad, and the live stream health is of course, the live stream health is yellow. Oh! As I say that, thank you, Lord. And when I moved it back, it see, now it's back on yellow, and I'm assuming it's gonna stay that way. So, yeah, guys, that is it. I hope you all enjoyed this live stream. So yeah, subscribe and like for more. I will try to make live streams. Probably, I'm thinking of doing every Thursday, just like I did this Thursday. So, yeah, guys, hope you all enjoyed. Subscribe and like for more, and check out Switch to Linux's YouTube channel. Yeah, if you haven't already, which I can see all of you have, because, you know, Sudo Reboot was talking to Switch to Linux, and Sudo Linux was talking to Switch to Linux. So, yeah, guys, that is it. So, I hope you all enjoyed the stream, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Goodbye, everyone.